Today we're going to solve first degree equations in one variable. The steps are: step 1, clear the fractions of the decimals. Step 2, eliminate the parentheses. Step 3, isolate the variable term. And step 4, eliminate the coefficient. So we'll run through these very quickly. If I go too fast, just pause the video and rewind it. We're going to solve first 2 minus 5x is equal to 8 plus x. Step 1, clear the fractions or the decimals. That's already finished. We don't have fractions and decimals. 2 is finished. We don't have to get rid of parentheses. Step 3, isolate the variable term. Yeah, that we need to do. We want to get the x term alone. So let's move this 2 to the other side. That leaves us negative 5x equals 6 plus x. Now let's move the x's together on the left side by subtracting. We got negative 6x equals 6. And then step 4, eliminate the coefficient. We do that by dividing both sides by the coefficient negative 6. And the negative 6 cancel on the left. We get x equals negative 1. It's always a good idea to check your answer to make sure it's good. Just write the original equation and put parentheses in place of the x. And go back and plug in the value you found, which is x equals negative 1 for this problem. And now simplify each side separately and see if you get the same number on both sides. Yes, we get 7 equals 7. That means this is a good solution. The second equation is x parenthesis 1 plus 2x equals parenthesis 2x minus 1 times parenthesis x minus 2. It is a first degree equation. It doesn't look like a first degree equation when we get rid of the parentheses and step, let's see, that's step 2. You're going to notice that we actually look like we have a second degree equation, but something magical is going to happen, so keep watching. Okay, we have step 1, get rid of fractions. We don't have fractions, skip that. Step 2, eliminate the parentheses. So we're going to distribute the multiplication on both sides of the equal sign, and then we're going to gather everything on one side. So let's see, let's combine like terms first on the right side. And now, step 3, we're in the process of isolating the variable term. Well, it looks like a second degree equation, so let's move the x squareds to the same side. And they cancel. And we eliminate all x squareds and just have x to the first power. So this is a first degree equation. Let's get the x term together. On the left side, get them all to the left side by adding 5x. That gives you 6x equals 2. And step 4, eliminate the coefficient by dividing both sides by 6. The answer is x equals 1 over 3. Now, I just want to say that I simplified the answer, 2 over 6, by factoring a 2 out of the top and bottom and canceling it. And that gave me the 1/3 answer. You can check that yourself to make sure it's a good solution.